Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your temperature and of course include the functions of your LG refrigerator. You have on the right side the fridge and on the left side the freezer. Oh, it's cold in the freezer and not so cold in the fridge, of course. On the left side, in the front of your device, you can see the function display board. When your refrigerator is first installed, allow to stabilize at normal operating temperature for 2 or 3 hours prior to filling it with fresh or frozen food. If operation is interrupted, wait 5 minutes before restarting. On the front, you can see some function display boards, and it's available in 4 types. In this case, we have the device without pure and fresh system. That means here is type number 4 available, and so we can go and adjust it a little bit. So let's start how to adjust the temperature in the freezer compartment. The freezer compartment is on the left side door. The room temperature adjustment is there, and you can use it by pushing on top. You can adjust temperature of the freezer room and refrigerator room by pushing it. Setting temperature are minus 14 degrees Celsius up to minus 24 degrees Celsius. Whenever pressing freeze button, setting is prepared in the order of 19, 20, 24, 14, 19, etc. Now let's head up to the button with the fridge on the right side. The fridge, you can adjust it by whenever pressing the fridge button. It settings the temperature in order of 4 degrees Celsius, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, etc. etc. That means you can adjust the setting temperature 1 degrees Celsius up to 7 degrees Celsius on the fridge side. This is the right side of your device. The display will automatically turn off after 20 seconds for power saving. Let's head up to the express freezer button. On and off is repeated whenever pressing express freezer button. The arrow marks graphic remains at the on status when selecting special refrigerator on. When quick freeze is on, press the button again to turn it off, or after a period of time, the quick freeze function will turn off automatically after completion. That will help you to freeze normal temperature stuff at the left side, inside the left side of your freezer, faster than without express freeze. That means there's not so much water what is on top of your stuff, what you are going to put into the freezer area on the left side of your device. Express freezer will use more power, of course, that you have to get in your mind before you use this option. Let's go to the lock. The lock button is detected on the right side. This button stops operating of different button. Locking or release is repeated whenever the button is pressed more than 3 seconds. When you use the child lock 3 seconds button, you cannot use any other button until you unlock the unit. When you press the other button when the unit is locked, the lock will flash 3 times to notify the current lock condition. When the water tank is installed correctly, the indicator light will turn on, otherwise the light will not turn on, and this button has no function in this case. There are 2 steps or 2 options to get water inside you, by the tubes under it or by using the water tank. And if you install the water tank, you can see on the right side at the lock button that the device is plumbing. That means there is a water tank installed, and this is okay for it because you like to make with the water out of the water tank some delicious ice cubes. So let's go to the dispenser. The dispenser has 3 modes: select water, slice ice, and square ice by pressing the dispenser button as you desire. Push the button lightly by catching and pushing in cup. The border line is indicated for the selected function. There it is, easy going. There comes water in the second mode. There will come ice cubes in the first mode, and there will come crushed ice in the third mode. Please wait for 2 until 3 seconds in order to take final ice slices or drops of water when taking out the cup from the pressing switches after taking ice or water. Easy going, as you can see. Tag sounds if 5 seconds pass after ice comes out. It is sound that the outlet of ice is closed. Water is cooled while stored in the water tank in the refrigerator compartment and sent to the dispenser. Ice is made in the automatic ice maker and sent to the dispenser. Divide into crushed or cubed form ice. It is normal that the water is not very cold at first. If you want cold water, add ice into the glass. There it is. This is a water tank. The water flows between every device or between the device in direct heat or by the water tank. And then, here it comes, it will make some ice cubes. That is easy to understand, as you can see. Here are some ice cubes, and these ice cubes you can extract by pushing your cup under it. Easy going. And of course, LED is on, and you can see there it comes cubed ice. Now it comes crushed ice. Light the crushed ice indicator lamp by pressing the selection button. Easy, as you can see. 3 options: water, cubed ice, crushed ice. Everything is possible. Only push the button dispenser, and then you can see on the image what mode you selected. Water, and water is coming. Cube ice will come, and crushed ice is come out of your device. Nice and easy and so delicious. Of course, you have a door alarm. That means if you have a long time open the doors, it will give you information. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon, Godlight Fridge and Freezer.